Hey, what's up guys? I want to say something real quick here. If you haven't gotten the A50 yet, the Samsung Galaxy A50 just yet, you might want to hold on to this. And also, if money isn't the problem here, I'll tell you to hold on. I am currently recording this using the front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy A70. Guys, this thing is huge. This thing is amazing. This thing is massive. It's got 6 gigabytes of RAM. It's got 128 gigabytes of internal storage. It's got a Snapdragon 675 octa-core, right? Yeah, octa-core CPU. This is amazing with a huge 4500 milliampere battery. Why didn't I get this? Guys, I'm switching over to this. This is freaking amazing. All right, let's dig in. Guys, I want to start by saying that the killer factor here is the price and the specifications. This thing packs a whole lot for a lot less. I think Samsung is back in the mid-range game. The A70 leaves the competition far behind, especially when it comes to the build quality, features and camera, and all of these at a reasonable price. It is the only Samsung phone on sale that supports super fast charging up to 25 watts, apart from the S10 Plus 5G. For a mid-range device, it ticks all the boxes for me. A Snapdragon 675 octa-core CPU, a 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM depending on your region, a 128GB of internal storage, a huge 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display, a huge 4500 mAh battery in a super cool and attractive design. It is made out of plastic, but Samsung calls it glastic. Heard me well, glastic. And the whole design is super impressive. Just look at the chain, it is almost non-existent and it doesn't feel too big even though it packs a 6.7-inch display. The huge display comes very useful, especially when playing games or watching videos. I've never held something this big yet looks small before. The engineering fit in this device is amazing. The 1080p Super AMOLED display is a joy to consume content on. It is vivid, vibrant and it really pops out. It just makes everything you do on this display looks so much better. Performance on this guy is super impressive. It doesn't lag at all. It doesn't slow down at all too. No matter what you do on this guy, you'll be very pleased. To me, it feels like a top dog flagship device. If you're a gamer and want something that performs well at a very affordable rate, then you should definitely get this. It is buttery smooth. Switching between apps and app launch is a breeze on this phone. Animation transition from screen to screen feels very zippy, which is what you want in this caliber of device. The Snapdragon 675 is just a beast of a processor. Samsung One UI on top of Android 9 Pie is so well optimized and it shows in every department. The simple and minimal interface is very easy to navigate and easy to understand. It is backed with plenty of features like IK one-handed mode, which I find it to be very useful in a large device like this. You get almost all the features found on the S series on this device. With all these features, it still runs buttery smooth, which shows how well optimized the One UI is. The One UI makes apps icon appear huge on the display. So if you're not a fan of huge icon like me, you can head over to the settings menu, then display, select home screen to resize or rearrange the grid and also further customize the UI. The fingerprint scanner, which is right under the display, is a tad faster than what is found on the A50, though not as fast as a physical fingerprint scanner. It is close. I like the approach and where this is leading us. Face unlock is also present and it is very fast, though not too secure, but it is a welcome addition. The whole package here makes it feel very premium. Inside the box, we've got the phone presented on top with some basic description on it. Then you get a 25 watt super fast charger that is capable of charging your phone from 0 to 80% under 1 hour. A Type-C charging cable, the earpiece and a SIM ejector tool tucked underneath the box. When you flip the top box cover over, you get a small box that contains the warranty card, the user guide, and a transparent plastic case to help protect your device. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rockers. On the left side, we've got the SIM slots that contains 2 nano SIM slot with a micro SD card slot. At the bottom, we've got the headphone jack, a USB Type-C charging port, a microphone hole, and the speaker grill. At the back is a 3-camera setup, which is a 5 megapixels camera with an f2.2 sensor used for measuring the depth of field, then a 32 megapixels f1.7 main sensor and an 8 megapixels f2.2 ultra-wide sensor with a single flash. Then on top is another microphone hole. Then on top of the Infinity U display, we've got the 32 megapixels f2.0 selfie camera. Speaking of camera, this is another area this device shines pretty well. The image quality is pretty good, the images are sharp, detailed, and overall colors are pretty accurate. The wide angle lens is nice as well with detailed wide or ultra wide images. High dynamic range is consistent with what it does and it is excellent. Portrait mode is decent too, it is very good, and the subject in front stands out from the background very well. Edge detection is well controlled too. Selfies is super amazing too, it has good details to its images, and the skin tone, though could have been much better, is still decent as well. The front portrait does a pretty good job in keeping the subject in focus with excellent blur to the background without touching the subject. Overall, it is very pleasing. The Samsung Galaxy A70 shoots video in 4K resolution and it is very good, though it is shaky due to the fact that it has no image stabilization. Despite that, the footage looks sharp with good amount of details and continuous autofocus works pretty well. The wide-angle lens can also shoot videos too, but limited to 1080p. It also has the ability to record slow motion and super slow motion videos. If you're a pro user, Pro mode is also available too. I've said so many good things about this device. Does it mean it doesn't have any negative side? It does, like the in-display fingerprint reader. It is good but not fast. It requires you to keep your finger for some seconds before it reads and unlocks. It lacks image stabilization, which would have made it a true flagship killer. Other than that, it is very impressive. The 4000 mAh battery is massive, and trust me, this thing lasts very well. And when you need to charge it again, the included charger uses it up faster in no time. The A70 retails at 130,000 naira only on Jumia Nigeria. If you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. With all the amazing specs and features, it is well worth it. The best in class Super AMOLED display, a very fast processor with plenty of RAM, a huge 4500 mAh battery, and a well optimized software experience. Please point to me where I can find such a good deal at this price bracket, and we can discuss in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.